Hello, Smarties. Welcome back to our Arabic lesson. Let's meet our Arabic alphabet friends. Do you remember the wave letters? If you want to revise, I'll leave a link for you here. You can also find the link for it in the description box. Look at the dots very carefully. Noon, ta, tha, ba, ya. Let's look at it with the fatha. Na, tha, ta, ba, ya. Very good. Now, let's revise our loopy loop letters. Ha, fa, qaf, mim, wow. Fa, wa, ha, qa, ma. Good job. Now, let's read a word that has both a wave and loopy loop letters in it. This is how the wave letters will look, and this is how the loopy loop letters will look. Is this a wave letter? No, it's a loopy loop letter. This is ma, ya, fa, ta. Now it's time to meet our new friends, the big belly letters. What's this on my screen? It's a food truck. And what happens when you eat a lot of junk food? You get a big belly. Let's look at our Arabic alphabets with big bellies. The first alphabet we look at is the letter ha. Ha is pronounced from the middle of your throat. Ha. Just like when you eat something spicy. Ha. Do you remember our friend the fatha? The fatha makes the a sound. So ha with the fatha, ha. Now let's see all the has lined up. No has. You have to hold hands with each other. We are too big to hold hands. My big belly is in the way. I can't reach my brother. Oh no, the belly letter bellies are so big that they can't hold hands. Try making your belly smaller, huh? Okay, we will try. We can't reach. Oh no, you still can't reach each other. Make your bellies smaller. We still can't reach. Oh no, has. Make your bellies even smaller. Yay! Now we can reach. Now we can hold each other's hands. Ha on the end can let his belly out because there's lots of space. Okay. Now let's get back to reading practice. Ha, 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 ha. Remember, when has join hands with each other, they let go of their bellies. But ha at the end can let its belly out because there's lots of space. Our next letter looks just like a ha, but it has a dot in its tummy. It is the letter Jeem. Jeem. The letter Jeem makes the j sound. Jeem, with the fatha, ja. Ja, 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 ja. Without the dot, it's the letter ha. With the dot below or in its tummy, it's the letter ja. Over here, the tummy is gone. So now the dot goes below it. Let's read this one. Ha, ja, ja, ha. Next, we have the letter kha. It has the dot on its head. So remember, no dot, letter ha. Dot in its belly, Jeem. Dot on its head, kha. Kha with a fatha makes the kha sound. Kha, 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 kha. Can you find the hidden kha? Remember, the dot for the letter kha is on its head. Here it is. Good job. Let's read this. Kha, ja, ha, kha, ja. Look at the dots carefully. Kha, ja, kha, ha, ha. Very good. Do you remember? No dot, letter ha. Dot in its belly, the letter Jeem. Dot on its head, the letter kha. Let's move to our next belly letter, which is the letter Ain. Ain. Ain with a fatha makes the a sound. A, 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 a. Just like our Jeem, ha and kha, when Ain joins its hands, it lets go of its belly, but the Ain at the end can let its belly out because there's lots of space. Can you find the hidden Ain? Here it is. Good job. Now we have a letter which looks just like Ain but with a dot on top, and it is our letter Ghayn. Ain, Ghayn. Ain has no dot. Ghayn has a dot. Ghayn with a fatha, gha. Gha, 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 gha. Can you find the hidden ghayn? Remember, Ain has no dot and Ghayn has a dot on top. Where is our Ghayn? Here it is. Excellent. Now, let's see all the belly letters together. What belly letters have we learned today? Ha, Jeem, Kha, Ain, Ghayn. Ha has no dot. Jeem has a dot in its belly. Kha has a dot on its head. Ain and Ghayn look similar. Ain has no dot and Ghayn has a dot. Kha, ja, ja, a, kha. Is that a kha? No, it has no dot, so it's the letter ha. ع غا ح جا ع جا ح جا غا. What letter is this? Dot on top? Kha. Good. A kha. Let's do this one now. Gha a ja kha a gha. Ja kha kha a ha a. Now this one, can you do it by yourself? If you need a little help, let's do it together. What's this letter without the dot? A. Dot on top? Kha. Dot below? Ja. Dot gha. A ha a. Let's do it again. A kha ja gha a ha a. Very good. Do you remember your belly letters now? Keep revising them. إلى اللقاء.